How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So we have to just go and open our WhatsApp here. So let me just open my WhatsApp. Now once I open it up, open the WhatsApp application, to view locked chat, swipe down on the chat list, right? Now here somewhere you will find, for example, let me just lock this one. So here you can see that the chat got disappeared. Now where it gone, where you can find the locked chats and everything. So here if I just swipe up, automatically I will get this option of lock chats feature. Just go and click on it, enter the password, and you will find the lock chats. So this is a way to find it, right? And this is really interesting, and thanks for watching this video. And guys, there's a one more thing, that for example, if you want to unlock the chat, just go and click on it, it will open. Now click and hold, now click on the three dots, and here you won't find any option, right? So how you can unlock this? Just go in here, scroll down and click on here. Now you have to again enter the password. Now automatically this lock chat feature will disappear from the top and it will come back your chat. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.